Hi everyone! Today I will do a bike check. So I will do present my frame. My frame is a Flybike. Um, this is a good frame, fully chromoly and very clean at the color black matte, you know. So for the bars, my bar is a Salt Plus 8.75 rise, I think. And my bar end is st-arneault Edwin, just bar end with the clitoris here. So my grip is a Mission. I like it because it's bumped at the center, you know. My stamp is blank, just top load with a roof in here, you know. I like a roof, just like a blank, you know. My headset's concrete and very slack, you know, is just cracked in here and everything's popping shit. My forks is salt, just salt. It's just twisted in here, just is fell, you know. My pegs federal, very weightless. My hub is a Colony and my rim is a Colony VH2. My front tire is a Duro. It's just a tire for ride the park, you know. So for back, my rim is Odyssey and my hub is a Odyssey. Is a very loud hub and pretty clean, you know. I just ride with a free peg, you know. It's just style, you know, because I don't have a 4 peg because I'm not rich, you know. And my seat is a Flybikeco seat, you know. Is very clean. It's like a pivotal. Yeah. My seat clamp is a Salt Plus. It's a good seat clamp. And my pivotal is a Colony, like my pretty good gear, Colony CC. And my pretty good cranks is just fell here and every shit, but there's good cranks. My chain is a good half link, good chain. And my pedal, E-clad, just pedals, just sliding here. So we go up sound.